Hello everyone, this is Better Graphic once again on your screen. I welcome you to another section of graphic design, but in this video particularly I'll be teaching you how you can actually blur your icon, your icons like a pro using Photoroom. Okay, you know how we normally do it. Let's head straight to our Photoroom app. So in case you don't have the app, the first step to do is to go to your Play Store. Now, once you go to your Play Store, make sure your data is activated. Okay, you search for it, Play Store, okay, Photoroom. Now, once you search for it, you tap it, then it appears. Now, this is the icon. This is the Photoroom icon. You download it. Okay, I haven't done that because based on what it's showing, it's already installed and downloaded as an app on my phone. Then I'll head straight to the Photoroom app. Okay, and please make sure that your data is activated before making use of the Photoroom app. And for those of you who don't have the app on your phone, once it's downloaded and installed, do it to register on the app with your Gmail, because one, you need to access the app with your Gmail and by extension your data anytime you want to access the app or edit or erase background of an image using the app. Now the first thing you do is to start from photo. You tap start from photo, it takes you directly to your gallery. Then you tap gallery. Now from there you would go to where your icons are classified based on your gallery arrangement. Then you tap pins. Okay, this is my pin interest. Then let's pick this one. Let's pick this. Okay, let's just pick let's pick this. Can I see this? Now the first thing it does is to erase the background of the icon or that image. Then having done that, it takes you to classic. You move to classic. Under classic, you see white, black, and transparent, depending on the background you need. But assuming you want to use an icon for design, it's more recommended you place it in the transparent section. Then wait for it, allow it to load. It will appear. You see collection of the icons in white, black, and transparent background, original. So just wait for it. Okay, it appears in your transparent background. Now you tap it. Can you see this? Then you come to layers. The first icon on your left, you tap it. Then you see it gives you, or it opens another chapter of icons such as object and background. That is the object itself, the icon itself, you want to add that blurry effect on. Now it doesn't necessarily mean that it must come with this object title attachment. Sometimes it can come with another title with a different name. So in as much the object or the icon on this layer is similar to the smaller one here, so that means you're good to go. Then you tap it, you scroll up, you see improve lightning, adjust, transform, blur. Then you activate your blur. Then you see bokeh, Gaussian blur, motion blur, hexagon. But for the purpose of this class, we are making use of this Gaussian blur. Then you come to this side, you see a scale here. So it depends on how the in-depth or how profound you want the effect to be. Can you see this? It depends on what you want. Assuming you come to motion blur, let's go. Can you see this? Okay. Can you see this? It depends on what you want. Can you see this? Once you are done, then you type your done. Then you export and it's saved to your gallery. Okay, let's try a second one. New from gallery. Then let's go to our pins. Okay, let's work with this. At first, it erases the background from your image. Please, I actually made a video on how to use Photoroom to erase the background of an image. In case you are to watch that video, the link to that video will be in the video description. And secondly, my introduction to Pixellab Part 1 and Part 2 also will be included in the video description. Okay, haven't done that, you head straight to the transparent under classic, you tap it, then layers, graphics, then you scroll up, then blur, Gaussian blur, then you can use this scale to adjust it, the level of the blurry nature or blurry effect. Okay, let's leave it at 34. Then you press done and export. So it's saved to your gallery. So if you find value in this class, do well to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As more quality content as they will be uploading, and you'll be the first to get notified. As I will see you in my next video. Bye.